Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to join lines to create shapes in Affinity Designer. This is an essential technique that allows you to connect separate line segments into complete fillable shapes, giving you more control over your vector artwork. To get started, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to begin working. With your canvas ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the pen tool. This tool is fundamental for drawing vector paths and will be your starting point for creating the lines you'll eventually join together. Now it's time to draw your separate lines. Click to place nodes for your first line, positioning them where you want your shape to begin forming. When you're done with that first line, double-click to end it. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, creating multiple line segments that could potentially form a shape. The key here is to draw lines that are close enough to connect but remain separate for now. Next, you'll need to select these lines. Click on the Move tool, which you can also activate by pressing V on your keyboard. To select both lines simultaneously, hold down Shift and click on each line. This shift-click method allows you to select multiple objects at once, which is crucial for the joining process. With your lines selected, navigate back to the left sidebar and click on the Node tool. This tool gives you precise control over the individual points that make up your lines. Now here's where the magic happens. Hold Shift and click the End node of the first line, then click the Start node of the second line. You'll notice these nodes highlight in blue when selected, indicating they're ready to be connected. Look up at the top context toolbar where you'll find the Join Curves button. Click this button and Affinity Designer will seamlessly connect your selected nodes, transforming your separate lines into a single continuous path. This connection creates a closed shape that can now be filled with color. To make your newly created shape visible and complete, navigate to the right panel where you'll find either the Color panel or Swatches. Select a fill color of your choice and apply it to your shape. The fill will only work properly once the lines are joined into a closed path, which is why this joining technique is so important. And there you have it. You've successfully joined lines to create a complete shape in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.